Estamos, mi amigos, no? So, ngayon, sa nag-comment po na, so may nagsasabi mga loves ba? Sinabi ko ito kay Tami na, so ilagay ko dito yung comment ba? Bisaya po siya, no? Pero ito yung Tagalogin ko. So, hindi ka ba nakonsensya na yung mga content mo, puro kain, na yung mga tao sa Pilipinas is walang makain? We should all stop eating. What did you say, honey?
I said based on what these people said, everybody should stop eating until everybody is. So there's nobody hungry.
So
how does it help that you don't eat? How does it help a person in another country who has no food? How does that help them exactly?
So sabi pa ni Tami, ang hirap yun Bisayain. Ang hirap niyan Tagalogin. So ito ha. So tayong lahat na may mga kinakain, mag-stop tayo. We have to sacrifice. We have to sacrifice. Just like we do the same thing with other people, that if they can't eat, then we shouldn't eat. Then if they start buying food,
by that theory,
yeah,
that everybody should quit their jobs because there are a lot of people who don't have jobs. So then everybody should quit working. By that logic, that's how that works. It's just not logic at all.
Some people are they have internet, they have cell phone, but I guess hindi nila nakita that there's a lot of people, they have a cooking content, mukbang content, that for sure na maglalaway ka talaga. They will be salivating, get hungry watching them. So I guess we have all stop doing that. You know what? Mga tao talaga, no? Yung mga toxic mind, hindi man siya toxic minded, it's just it's stupidity. It's just like no common sense whatsoever. Kalarki. Sa'yo nang ka, ana? Asan maka maghanap anang ana? Uy nga, wala, dapat makonsensya tayo. Every time we open our mouth for a little bit of food, we have to have a conscience like, this is like, yes, it's sad na mga tao, mga loves na walang makain, blah blah blah, but crazy, my husband have a headache. Just me talking Tagalog, is it?
Like, I give money to homeless people on the street. Do they?
What
Or
did you do?
Or do they just talk?
Yeah, that
I
this
give money
person.
to homeless people on the street. Do these people saying that? Do they give money to homeless people on the street?
Yeah, I know you
Or
do
they
give.
can do it. Nice.
You do give, but these people, they just talk, honey. They talk and makes you feel bad that you eat.
You can't feed the whole world.
Yeah.
There's no way. The bottom line is, if everybody does a little bit, gives a little bit, then maybe it'll help. But you also got to be careful who you give it to. You're going to give it to organizations who claim to feed the hungry, and then you look at their payroll, and you give them $1 million, and 900,000 goes to paying their employees, and 100,000 goes to feeding people.
Yeah.
Really, you got to be careful who you give to.
No, and in short, honey, these people, they just talk. They don't even do anything. They can't even probably give something for the neighbor. Okay? Itong mga nagko-comment, they don't even probably give something for their family or neighbors, and then they just wanna say something, han. This person, honestly, ikaw ate nagpataka-taka kag-comment, no? Mura jud kang sikin sa pod, nakahatag ka. Undang daw nagimong kaon, be. Pag undang daw dagkaon ya, ang imong hunahunahon kana imong ikaon ni hatag sa dito sa uban. Ang hirap kasi mag-English. So ikaw ate ha, make sure ha na maglumba tagway kan anay ha. Tingar man tag kinsay mga collapse diha ang napita ba? Maglumba tagway kan anay, diha tan napita sa Pakita na to be kung kinsay makahatag ba ka? Makahatag pa siguro ko samtang nagkaon siguro ko makahatag po siguro kong tabang. No? Anyway, meron akong tinulungan online. Meron ako nag-send ako ng pera to somebody, and hopefully it's not scam. Okay? So hopefully hindi siya scam, pero dire-diretso lang ako nagbigay sa kanya. Nag-ano ako ng picture, sininda niya ako ng picture, pero hoping lang talaga na hindi siya scam, mga loves, no? Kasi talagang masasabi ko sa inyo, kung na-scam man ako, maliit lang naman yun amount na yun, pero at least, kung nabigay ko yun sa aking kapatid, malaking bigas na yun or pagkain ng mga aso, marami na. So yun, hopefully it's not a scam, hopefully kung totoo man yan, maging okay yung taong yun, kasi may sakit po siya, no? Yan, so yun. So yun, sabi ko lang sa inyo kasi nga itong nagko-comment na ito, hopefully makapagbigay siya sa ibang tao, hindi lang puro salita.
It's everybody's problem. That's not the point, but their solution is not right. the fact that there are people hungry in the world is everybody's problem. But the solution to like don't eat, that's not really the solution to anything. That's just stupidity.
Anyway, so yeah. Talking about that, so Marianne is hungry again, so I guess I'm gonna eat.
There you go.
It's lunch. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Wala pa kaming kain. We don't eat lunch yet, and I don't buy anything for my husband. I went out to the nagpunta ako sa tindahan mga loves, and I don't pick up anything for
So feed
him.
me dirt.
Honey, seriously.
What dirt?
Love.
You give me dirt.
And flour, love.
Dirt and flour.
It's a good combination, hon.
Makes the dirt thicker.
Honey ba? Honey ba? Anyway, we're almost home. And nakiyakiyala ka. Good luck po sa inyo. Good luck. Oh, mga ganyang utak ba, mahirap yan i-fix, mga loves. Kasi talagang ganyan na yan. Kung ganito yan siya mag-comment, for sure, worse pa yan sa mga kapitbahay niya. Ikaw ba? Mas ano pa ka, wag yung kay klaro yun na gisilingan ka, yung sa limbayhanan eh. Nagpataka ragyawit. No? Pataka ragyawit. Sa'yo nun ka kadalamon. Makonsensya ka. Well, sometimes, every time I eat good food, I kind of like, I don't talk a lot about this. If I eat good food, and sometimes I think, yes, so I hope my family have it, la la la. I hope they can taste it too, la la la. And the only thing right now, and then they will attack me, oh, when you went to the Philippines, you don't even cook them like that. You don't even buy this, that. You always cook vegetables. Seriously. That jeep, it's probably for sale, isn't it? They have something in the back. It's a Hummer. I don't like Hummer. Probably I'm afraid to drive like this. It won't fit in the road. You think Hummer will fit here?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna hit this car.
No.
They're wide.
The truck here, right?
Yeah. Is that the same wider? The same wide?
Probably wider. Tractor trailers, you got all kinds of trucks, but you think I'm a little bit.
So let's view.
Road work.
Turning.
Once you go that slow.
Huh?
You don't want to go that slow, you're not eternally really.
Why, hon? The thing is, you know, they said, if there's a construction people, slow down, because some of the construction people died of the recklessness of the freaking driver. They drive like you. They drive like shh. They don't even shh.
Yeah.
It's not. It's like a jet plane. These people are dying because of that.